Hey everyone, welcome back to Trending World. Today we are going to talk about some of the best Korean movies you can watch on Netflix. These films have everything from thrilling action to touching dramas. Let's dive in and see what makes each of these movies special. Grab your popcorn, sit back and enjoy the journey through these thrilling, emotional and action-packed stories. So are you ready? Let's get started. So, number 10 is Unloved. Unloved tells the story of a woman who loses her smartphone. A dangerous man finds it and uses it to track her every move. He uncovers her personal secrets and puts her in serious danger. The film shows how our lives can be invaded through technology. As she tries to reclaim her phone, the tension rises, keeping viewers on the edge of their seats. Number 9 is The Drop King. The Drop King is set in the 1970s and tells the story of Lee Do-sa, a small-time drug dealer in Busan. He rises to become a powerful drug lord controlling a significant portion of the drug trade. The movie explores his journey through the criminal underworld, his battles with law enforcement, and his struggle to maintain his empire. It's a gritty, raw depiction of the impact of the drug trade on individuals and society. Number 8. Badland Hunters. Badland Hunters is an action-packed thriller about allied soldiers sent to capture a dangerous warlord. They face numerous challenges and enemies in the treacherous Badlands. The movie combines intense action sequences with a gripping narrative about survival and loyalty. The soldiers' journey tests their skills and resolve, making for a compelling and exciting watch. Number 7. Psychokinesis. In Psychokinesis, an ordinary man named Seo-kyun gains superpowers after drinking water from a mountain spring hit by a meteor. As he learns to control his new abilities, he decides to use them to help his estranged daughter and her neighborhood from a powerful corporation trying to evict them. The film blends humor, action, and heart-paced moments, making for an entertaining and touching story about a man embracing his role as a hero. Number 6. Pandora. Pandora is a disaster movie about Jae-hyo, a worker at a nuclear power plant. An earthquake causes explosions at the plant, leading to a potential catastrophic meltdown. Jae-hyo and his colleagues must risk their lives to prevent the disaster. The film highlights the human and environmental cost of nuclear energy, the bravery of those who face such dangers, and the sacrifices made to protect others. It's a powerful and emotional story. Number 5. Paul. Paul is a psychological thriller about two women connected by a mysterious phone call that transcends time. Seo-yeon, living in the present, answers a call from Young-suk, living in the past. As their lives become intertwined, Seo-yeon learns that changing the past has serious consequences. The movie is a mind-bending exploration of fate, consequence, and the butterfly effect, keeping viewers guessing until the very end with its twists and turns. Number 4. The Chase. The Chase follows Sim Deok-soo, an elderly landlord who teams up with a former detective to solve a series of mysterious murders in their neighborhood. As they uncover dark secrets and face various threats, the unlikely duo gets closer to the truth. The film combines elements of mystery, thriller, and dark comedy, providing a unique and engaging experience. It's a story about perseverance and uncovering hidden truths. Number 3. Time to Hunt. Time to Hunt is set in a dystopian future where a group of young men plan a heist to escape their dire circumstances. After the robbery, they become targets of a relentless assassin hired by the underworld. The movie is a tense cat-and-mouse game with thrilling chases and high stakes, keeping viewers on the edge of their seats throughout. It's a story of survival, friendship, and the desire for a better life. Number 2. Forgotten. Forgotten follows Jin-seok, who moves into a new home with his family. His brother Yoo-seok is kidnapped but returns after 19 days with no memory of the events. As Jin-seok notices strange behavior in his brother, he begins to uncover shocking secrets about his family and the truth behind Yoo-seok's disappearance. The film is a gripping psychological thriller with unexpected twists, exploring themes of memory, identity, and deception. Number 1. Night in Paradise. Night in Paradise tells the story of Taegu, a gangster who seeks revenge after his sister and nephew are murdered. He flees to Jeju Island where he meets Jaeon, a terminally ill woman with her own tragic past. As the foreman unlikely born, Taegu's enemies close in on him, leading to a violent and emotional climax. The movie is a powerful blend of action, drama, and romance, delivering a memorable cinematic experience. So there you have it. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Trending World for more exciting updates and reviews. Until next time, take care and keep watching amazing movies.